Regulation of gene expression refers to a very broad term that may occur at various levels. So like if you take the prokaryotes, the gene regulation takes place at transcriptional level and translational level, but whereas in case of eukaryotes, transcriptional level, post-transcriptional level, that is nothing but processing level. Next, transport of mRNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm, and then translational level. Whereas in case of eukaryotes, the genes are expressed at, first one is transcriptional level, next processing level, next transport of mRNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm, transport of mRNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm, next finally translational level. So this is about in eukaryotes. So whereas in case of prokaryotes, so it occurs at two levels or two stages, transcriptional level and then translational level. Transcriptional level and translational level. The genes in a cell are expressed to perform a particular functions or a set of functions. For example, if an enzyme called beta galactosidase is synthesized by E. coli and it catalyzes hydrolysis of disaccharide, that is lactose, into beta galactose and glucose. Beta galactoside is a carbohydrate, or beta galactosidase is an enzyme. This beta galactosidase converts beta galactosidase converts lactose into galactose and glucose. This lactose plays an important role in the metabolism of bacteria, and like you can take the development and differentiation of embryo into adult organism are also a result of coordinated regulation of expression of several set of genes. In prokaryotes, control of rate of transcriptional initiation is the predominant site for control of gene expression. In a transcription unit, the activity of RNA polymerase at a given promoter is in turn regulated by interaction with accessory proteins, which affects its ability to recognize start sites. So what is an operon? Generally, operon is nothing but a constructive form of genes. Is known as operon. And each operon has its specific operator and a specific repressor. Each operon has its specific operator and repressor protein. And you can take some examples are like example here, lac operon is the lac operator is present in lac operon. Lac operator specifically present in plaque operon. And interacts with the plaque repressor only.